Eretwa China tiregeni matu-ini ma Kenya kuona bururi ucio koretwo ri muthirito wa hakuhi hari bururi wa Kenya makiria riria guoka ni tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere. Indi ona kuria uguo wagi wa wigananu wa thogore gatagati ka mabururi maya meri niguo muhinga munene uthinekanitie bururi wa Kenya hatikaini kuona ndukoretwo kigwatira mieke miingi thoko-ini ya China toria bururi ucio koretwo kiguna na thoko ya guku bururi-ini. Ken Kiara niwe murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kugacirithia wigithia guku bururi-ini rwa Ken Invest.
If it is a supply constraint that we are not producing enough, then part of the development assistance we get from either China or another country can be directed to increase production, then you export.
Aritajira imwe ya guthinga mahoro maya riu bururi wa Kenya ni wambikite mitaratara ya miario neria kuhotithia hori biashara kuma miena yeri kugia na mieke iganaine.
If it's agro processing, you get an investor, they come and form a joint venture, they start manufacturing, but they have a nucleus farm, and then they can also have farmers who are surrounding there who can grow and sell to the manufacturer.
Ningĩ thirikari ya China nĩ ĩranĩire kũigithia mũigana wa ciringi bilioni 18 gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ harĩ waki wa iganda arĩ ta njĩra ĩmwe ya kũhũra njeki kĩoneki gĩa President Uhuru Kenyatta kĩa Big Four.
Investment follows good projects. And what you have to do now, what you are doing is to prepare those big projects by creating zones, industrial parks, and all that, creating better incentives so that we can compete and get more and bigger share of the investment funds that are available.
Muigai wa Gathongo, Kameme TV, Wojoria.